Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS one package mold we exported to other country. As you can see, this is our 10 cavities EPS one package mold. Each cavity has 6 bottles, and each cavity has 4 pieces of EPS filling gun and 2 pieces of EPS ejector. In transmit to play a good cushion role to protect the goods such as beverage, wine bottle, oil bottle. We can customize 3 bottles, 6 bottles, and 12 bottles, or any other size based on the customer's request. For more information about customized EPS mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.